Hi, I'm Mark Gelfo, Managing Principal for Energy Services at TLC Engineering Solutions. At the upcoming CxEnergy conference in April, I will be presenting Get Ready for Solar, How to Make Your Projects Solar Ready. Codes all over the country are moving towards mandating solar power, or at least planning for future solar to be incorporated into new building projects. I'll be discussing the status of the solar industry, solar requirements and codes, incentives, and how to plan, design, build, and commission your projects today for future solar tomorrow. As a board member of the AABC Commissioning Group and the Energy Management Association, I would like to personally invite you to attend CxEnergy, not only for all of the fantastic technical presentations, but also to hang out with your industry peers. We are excited to see hundreds of commissioning providers, energy management professionals, as well as building owners and facility managers attend this event. You can register at www.cxenergy.com, and I hope to see you in San Diego this April.